At Collin College, we use a syllabus system called Concourse Syllabus, which is surprisingly user-friendly. My name is Diana Sage. I teach speech communication at the Frisco campus, and I thought I would make a quick video just demonstrating how to use the Concourse Syllabus system in case you're not familiar with it. So first of all, let me get rid of this slide. Now, you're going to sign into the Collin College website, obviously, and then go to your Faculty tab, and then select Access to Canvas. In Canvas, select the course you want to work on. So let's say I'm working on 1311.202. And you'll see the list of items in your menu here on the left. One of the first things you'll want to do is go down to Settings. And let me see if I can make it so you can see this a little bit better. All right, go down to Settings, and then select the Navigation tab in Settings. And see this syllabus item here? That's not the one you want. So let's hide that from the students. Otherwise, they will get confused. So put this down here where it says drag items here to hide them from students, because we don't need to have two syllabus links. We just want the Concourse syllabus link. You can also find the Concourse syllabus link here and ooch it up. Technical term is ooching, so that students can find it more easily and you can find it more easily. And then don't forget to hit save. You can actually adjust all of these. You can decide what links you want the students to see in their menu in Canvas and hide the ones you don't want them to see and make it a little bit less cluttered. So don't forget to hit save. Now let's go into Concourse Syllabus. You may need to hit start your session, or it may do it automatically. So what I did is earlier I went in and cleared out a bunch of stuff so that I could start with kind of a clean slate here. So you're going to select here on your syllabus pull down menu, click that, and then select edit. Anytime you see a yellow icon here with the pencil in it, that means you can edit this item. So for example, you can't edit the meeting times. That's locked because obviously you can't change the time your class meets. The course description also cannot be changed. There are certain things that we have to have in the course description, so those are also locked. So you can, however, of course, edit your contact information. I've got my contact information already in here, and your office hours. So I'm going to add my office hours here. And you may have an old syllabus or another document where you've got this already typed. You can just copy paste. So I'm going to Control C to copy, Control V to view. Just post it in the notes. Students can see what's posted in the notes. They can't see what's posted in comments. That's just comments for you to see in this behind the scenes editing. So my office location is going to be Founders Hall F237. And then I'm going to hit save. And there's my office hours, just right like that. For my course resources, I can add, let's see here. I'm going to put the textbook, Control C, and do it this way. Put in individual information, or for me, it's easier just to edit course resources. And that's my textbook. See, it's all just right there for supplies, and you get the idea. I won't make you watch me make my entire syllabus, but yeah, you can just copy paste from a previous syllabus if that's easier for you, or you can type directly into the editing boxes and you can just complete your syllabus that way. And then once you have it, you don't even have to hit save. So it's very, like I say, very user-friendly. Once you've got it, it just kind of auto-saves your information, and then you can double-check it by clicking View in the pull-down menu there, and it will display the way it's going to display to the students. So you'll see what the students see. Now, a couple other things that you need to know. Once you're done with your syllabus, it'll be time to submit it for audit to let people know that it is ready to be audited. So you would just notify auditors and editors here and hit submit for review. So I'm not going to do that yet because mine's not ready yet. And one other thing that is useful is if you click on info here, you will see these links that you can send to your students. So they'll be able to see your syllabus before the courses are open in Canvas. So just select that, hit Control C, and you can copy it and paste it into an email that you send your students, and they will be able to see the syllabus again before classes begin for the semester. So you'll find that students really appreciate that. If you have any questions about how to create syllabi in Canvas, you can always contact the ELC and they will be happy to help you.